Welcome back to As It Hot. Now still the senior brother of all the television stations when they inside the world, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of GoTV. And we discuss Niger economy. And the talk when we say, Professor Wole Soyinka come out, talk, say, now only sharp economic meeting now go save Nigeria economy from the condition when it is so. He tell this one when they follow the Minister for Information and Culture, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, talk last week Thursday, February 18th, 2016. We dey discuss the problems when our economy they face and we dey try provide solution to them so that those when the leaders go here do the necessary thing when go move this our country forward.
Chiko, one major thing where they strike me about the issue of economy be say under this government say these were parts of the things where they talk say they go address. Okay, if we go talk say yes, the government don't address the issue of corruption at least from a particular angle. If we go talk say the government don't address the issue of anti-terrorism from a particular angle, we go talk say yes, say these ones at least they see somehow they see small results. But then under major emphasis with them they say they go address now the economy, diversification of the economy, addressing the economy. If at this stage 9 months into your government, you never even raise eyebrow, talk of say you want to apply for your economy. I wonder when it will take place. We get Oga Matthew. Oga Matthew, they call us from Shomolu. Good morning, Matthew.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Uncle.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwu.
I agree to Oga Matthew.
I hear the program one at the talk, and the thing that really touched me.
Okay.
But one thing why I get to put there is say, waiting don't spoil, take. No, they put the blame on current government or past government.
Okay.
But because when they say don't start, you don't say, no, they tell Nigeria the truth. Because this is what they see. Since the economy they fall, and then they grow. Water they go up. Since this one they go up, this price they go up. They don't say anything start to go like that because we depend on dollar. Instead of we to promote our Nigeria production.
Oga Matthew.
And it's where they affect us.
Oga Matthew. It could say we don't identify, say, this particular problem they exist. But we know, say, the work of government now to do what people vote them there to do and what they promise to do. Now, the responsibility of the government when they today, now to try to begin to correct this our problem so that we go fit consolidate on these ones for future, everything go dey okay. What do you think, say, government, which leg the government supposed to do? Make we no blame government, make we no blame the past. But what in this government when they power now supposed to do so that we go to see improvement and other ones when go fit continue from what they don't do to help our economy?
Well, thank you for your question. What you need to do, now one of the things they do now, because you need to create relationship first. Those things, so they go do outside, they go give them money, they go import, they spend, they do with the dollar. No, they bring them here, they do it here, they spend and they deal with our own local naira. Next thing, they begin to improve. If any other government come, we go start like that. So Nigeria go to enjoy. Instead, we go to go outside, they go do things. They do every work, the matches, everything go do outside, pay money, everything go to deal with the dollar. That make our naira they fall. And from there now, dollar don't they go up. Everything don't affect our production. Because we don't produce here, we produce outside mainly.
Yes,
so now they say, no, they blame, this current government, never they do anything.
Okay.
Or they do the worker, or they care for see where they go down.
Thank you very much
for this important contribution. You don't state one particular fact.
Exactly.
Say, go there very, very important. Make we stop to the trade blames, make we find solution to problems. And two things when you talk. Number one, you talk, say, it go there very, very important. Make we look inwards. See, say, we get things when we say other countries for this world, say, go come collect from us, rather than to even they go to the extent of importing toothpick enter inside our country. And you don't also talk and say, if we create better relationship and countries look us as people when they're serious, they go really take us serious. Oga Eze, they call us all the way from Apapa. Oga Eze, good morning and welcome to As It Hot.
Eze, good morning.
Oga Eze, you did here?
Going by what Matthew talk, the Vice President and Treasurer of the World Bank, that is Mrs. Aruma Ote, recently said one thing about this thing. Say, look, for our economy to say it is well defined, at least we need to at least look into.
Thank you very much. That's Aruma Ote when you call now. I hope say you know, say for the past administration, that woman occupies senior office. When you even get to do with contributing to the growth of our economy. My question, excuse me, let me land.
Will you allow me finish?
Which one is allow you finish?
I don't even talk land
talk. You don't attack me.
Why you be saying that? Why the woman they talk now? Why they even they give suggestion at all?
She don't get the freedom to carry out work that time.
Excuse me, if they put you for office and you know like why you don't come out?
No.
Why you come say she come they talk? No, let me use the verse of this pure water money where they verse Nigerians.
No, let me drink pure water.
For your body,
Chukudi, please. Let me talk like a Nigerian.
No, they use two and they tell me, please. I'll do you back.
I'll go, okay, good morning. I warn you.
I'm warning you too.
I'll go, okay, good morning.
No fighting, I beg. Hello.
With the year, right on.
Okay, now pure water you drink, I mean a bottle water.
My brother, I don't drink anyone, but now I specialize in bottled water anyway.
Okay, you be big man.
How much they go decide that one now?
Anyway, I don't know. They give money, they buy for me.
You be big man. Now you go be government. Continue.
Nothing concern government. I do on my own.
Okay, with the year you go, okay.
Make I shook mouth more. Hello.
Yeah, right on.
If here in life, they know they learn left hand at the old age. That one is number one thing. And secondly, maybe to swallow razor blade, maybe the problem, not to shit out. Maybe another problem. Make I tell you, Japan, China, and the rest of the country, they build their economy when they are sit under. But we in Nigeria now, when we don't open eye, know everything. We say now we want to build our economy, we want to do this, do that. No. Not be now. Even if now we want to do them, it's a gradual process, you know. The way they just rush everything, would they fight corruption, would they fight this one, would they do this one? No. The other hand now, they can't talk say now they pass administrator and spoil everything. They can't use that one, they give an excuse. No, when they were fighting for the power, when they were telling us, campaigning, they tell us that all they are bringing is total change. So I've been expecting the total change. Up to now, I'm yet to see a single change. The only change I'm seeing is a sachet of pure water sold for 20 naira. Let me not say, okay, yesterday, I'm in the market, let me go and get a bag of rice for my family, you know. Normally 10,000 price, 12,000 naira. My brother, imagine they are telling me 16,000 a bag of rice.
16.
I said, So what in the poor ones now go can't do? Even if you get the money to buy them, how about the poor ones? People won't even get. People won't even. In fact, they never even eat salary for months now. So Nigeria, I believe so. Water don't pass Gary for our economy. Water don't pass Gary because that time when they were crying, economy murder. I believe it not affect us now. Now it really affects us. And at the talk say make government carry water watch their eye. Go back to their drawing board and fulfill their promises. I beg. May God continue to bless this blessed land in the name of Jesus.
Amen. Okay, thank you very much. As you take use your pastor's power, take cover the talk where you take talk. Oga David, they call us all the way from Abuja. Oga David
is still there.
It be like say Oga David, the talk no agree to making contribution.
But really, the point be say just as you be talk earlier, Oti don't come out talk, and then you said something with very very important. You say it not be to just come say you come talk. A lot of people don't take up responsibilities that is all feel oppositions they be say. I mean positions they be say they feel use that opposition carry out work effectively, but within their duration in office or within that period of time when they're in office, waiting they don't do it, they don't implement to ensure that at least they don't contribute to either the economy or to the sustainability of the country. None. Then now, what do they do? We say, cases of what do they hear? We say, okay, let us do this, let us do that. But rather, addressing the key points are rather neglected, but rather now only talk, as if now talk will bring the solution. And this is not even an issue of being ignorant. We know what is right. We know how best we can address this thing. But within that's where they hold us back from addressing this. If not be probably your own interest. Maybe they probably find waiting will benefit you, just as one of our callers talks. Say, look, black say governance now they don't turn into my property. So it is supposed to be a collective thing. We all know what to do, and we are just neglecting it. Nobody's not ignorant. We just deliberately neglect them. Rather, and who they bounce on? Now somebody like Chukudi and us.
You know why? You know why they pity you.
No, I just try.
No, but you know why they.
I'm
you know why they pity.
I'm trying to.
You know why they pity you.
I don't want you to pity me.
Okay, no. Ezra, they call us all the way from Abuja. Oga Ezra, good morning and welcome to Ask the Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Chukudi and Nkubi.
Good morning, Ezra.
Yeah, you see, like me, I've finished primary and secondary school. I don't like answering questions because even if I want to ask a question, I'll look at myself and say, I've already known the answer, so what's the essence of asking?
Okay.
So like every other person I've said here, you are fighting somebody and you are coming out in the public saying that you have won against the person. It simply means you are seeking more challenge. You want to see the other side of the person. So the best way is if you've gotten the weaker point of those people, the best thing is keep on attacking on that particular
point, yes.
So that at least by God's grace, by so doing, you will get to win to defeat the person, even in a much more better way. So that's my own contribution.
Thank you very much, Ezra, for that contribution. I want to say the argument they bring up from, you say, if somebody want to take over a particular responsibility, I don't come spot out maybe something where they wrong for this particular individual. In own interest, now to do it once you don't take over that responsibility, now to address those key things where they weak for that person reign. So I understand the angle they bring up, and a very good one. We get Oga Joseph. Oga Joseph, they call us from Ikoyi. Good morning, Joseph. Joseph, good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning.
I agree to.
We agree to Oga Joseph.
Concerning the economy where we they talk about, I have to say now, only two thought they talk about it because people come to notice while they support this government too, as all of us they support them too, make it proceed.
Okay.
But the issue now is that if people like Oluchoeka they say the government to say make you do this, make you do that because of economy, say the thing don't rot well. It can't be like say this government, they do anything. So I want to, put to my voice, Oluchoeka, make the government, make you call the people where what to do. Maybe they can't help us to. We are dying. Everything don't cost. My plate now, pure water don't cost to. So pure water when they buy 18 naira before. Now 150 we they buy one bag now. So it's no good. Make we need the help. Make people wait starting waiting go do. Maybe they can't help us
exactly.
to.
Oga Joseph, thank you very much for this your important contribution.
Maybe they can't help us to. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Joseph. You don't identify one particular problem and you don't talk and say we need to urgently address this particular issue. We get Sharon. They call us all the way from Ikeja. Sharon, good morning and welcome to Ask the Hot.
Sharon, good morning. Sharon, you did there?
Like I said, the network no agree Sharon to making contribution. I beg those who don't try call us when we say network palava cause if you try our other lines and remember say we get toll free like when we say now you go talk now we go they pay so that you go just continue your contribution they go. It go very very important make we look some of the issues when we say everybody don't drop for here. Collectively we all agree say we dey face serious problem in the sense say everything when person they buy don't go up, the thing don't increase well and it go good make we do wetin dey right to ensure say as salary no even go up and as people they lose their job, the things when we dey buy to chop or to use make our life comfortable, the thing no go come reach the level when we say it go come dey hook us for throat. As Professor Wole Soyinka don talk, say make we do our best to ensure say we carry people together to think this matter. It go good, but not be the one we come they do say we come gather people, come they pay them money to come they do them because we don't do these things for the past and it go be like say no clear sense of direction. We get Emmanuel when they call us all the way from Ogun State. Oga Emmanuel, good morning and welcome to Ask the Hot.
Mr. Shukudin, good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Emmanuel.
Good morning also.
Good morning.
Yeah, see, this is our program, I think I do well.
Thank you very much.
I hope say that they hear us now.
They hear us.
Because if me, I want to make I talk about the government self. They are not even fair for the government right from origin. Even before exception self. That is why I not even volunteer to register, not to talk because I won't vote. Because for me, for the small time I don't spend for this world, I don't understand. So for Nigeria, at the end, last, we always say the past government, they better pass one we did, despite all their promises before they enter. So even this Buhari, me I know he don't make mistake. When he enter, me no say Papa Buhari don't make mistake. What they call Papilo.
he don't make that mistake for the one way to take up the ministerial position for Minister for Petroleum. Our Papa Buhari don't fair rule us 1984. Since then, when he come up for there, when he come before he come become president now, the man go into agriculture. Why not take up the post of Minister for Agriculture? Come go to take up petroleum. He don't do petroleum even before he become president, way back 79. He still do it for PTF. Then what you forget for there when make one go back there? Before I was expecting that the man would take up the position of Minister for Agriculture. So that as we talk, say they won't carry our attention more for crude oil, go other aspect, we go to generate money for this country. Now he carry a petroleum minister position. We still even with the go back. Yeah.
On this particular matter, what they talk about, say yes, say the economy the way it is now, the job like say don't get K-leg. Waiting your own suggestion on how we go fit take do it, on how we fit take improve on the situation right now.
My own suggestion be say as I talk they come. Make we change our when we come out our mindset, come out for where all your day. Make we enter agriculture. See in that agriculture, that's why it go take time. When we enter mechanized farming, make it compulsory. We get 774 local governments in the federation. If you make it compulsory, say all the local government chairman must go into mechanized farming. You know what you will get from inside now. I'm going to say, I tell people say, I'm happy to be in Nigeria. The country Nigeria is one, if not the most blessed nation on earth. We not get anything that affect us.
Yeah, Oga Emmanuel,
thank you very much for this your important contribution. And you don't talk and say agriculture. Now one way when we say go save us from plenty of the problem when we face today. John, they call us all the way from Abuja. Oga John, thank you for holding on. Oga John, the thing don't cut. I beg you no go vex because we know say you've been the hold on. But based on say everybody contribution, they're very, very important so that we will join everything together, table and make those when the leaders do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. Quickly, we go rush, enter inside, small break. When we go this break, come back from where we stand, it go be the final bus stop. We go review everything whenever we don't talk. Come see how we go take fit table this thing so that government gonna say Nigerians get sense, Nigerians know what they right, and Nigerians want the best for this country. No go anywhere. Now still Wazobia TV, Wazobia Max. And as it hot. Welcome back to Aside Hot. From here where we stand, so now the final bus stop now we see. And from all the contribution when Nigerians don't bring come, it don't even be very obvious say for what we discuss on top of Aside Hot today, that meeting where Professor Wole Soyinka talk say make we call, we don't already call them. Yeah. We don't give solution. And government need to do the right thing because the right thing don't dey down already. Our last call have been talk about mechanized farming. If we get 774 local governments inside this Obodo Nigeria, and we can't decide say okay, one small portion, we won't begin they start to they do some kind of things. They grow things when we say people feel they use say okay, Ide Lagos, make we carry and go Enugu, Ide Enugu, make we carry and go Kano. The thing go allow our country to dey vibrant and things go begin to move. For situation when we say for this country we dey import potato, country wey get land and we dey import
odukun. Even there are states because I know of Plateau. Plateau say when it comes to at least the plantation of this potato, then they're very, very good at that. And it's what stops the government from saying, okay, this is where we say, see their handwork. I'll still wait till they're good at. Make we invest into that. So it go they well industrialized. It go they very, very, very massive.
Very true.
We get Oga Tony. Oga Tony, they call us from Abuja. Good morning, Tony. Tony, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, would they hear you right on?
Please help me ask them. If APC fit tackle the economy, the way they tackle Jonathan, the way they tackle PDP, if they fit tackle Boko Haram, they fit tackle the economy, the way they say they tackle corruption, the economy go good. But what happen be say, the man should say in Sabi about security, in Sabi about fighting corruption. Now only I be the only righteous man. And he believes he go stay tackle the economy like that. Not be so. What you know, Sabi, give people what Sabi and make they do. For the part of the for our economy, you don't know what to do. Even if you go come back to Konjo Wall and make it happen.
Oga Tony,
if you go come back.
Oga Tony,
yes.
We get economic team. Share you think say people when the economic team, they know Sabi what they do. I mean, then they take
they know Sabi because the last economic team. You have people like Adeshina, with the African Development Partner. You have Aron Moti. You have other people. Yeah.
But how effect? Okay, Ogatoni, thank you for that contribution. We get Mohammed. Mohammed, they call us from PH, Port Harcourt. Good morning, Mohammed. Mohammed, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Would they hear you right on?
Okay, hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Can you hear me?
Yes, would they hear you?
Okay, my contribution goes like this.
Okay.
We are talking about this economy. It is very easy and it is very difficult to tackle this issue.
Okay.
One thing here is that why is the Manufacturers Association of Nigeria, why is the Shippers Council of Nigeria, why is the Importers Association of Nigeria? These are the people that should come forward and give the government a blueprint. We should not sit down and wait for the government to give us what we don't ask. Always we are the people to present to the government and advise the government that these are the things that we want, and if we follow this way, it will be easy. As the other caller said,
okay,
we import toothpick. Why do we import toothpick? Go to Ogun State, Ijebu-Ode, Omowood is there. There is nothing that they cannot manufacture. We have the zeal of foreign things. We don't patronize Nigerian things. And even the things that we are importing, they are substandard. The Standard Organization of Nigeria is there dealing with cables, collapse buildings, substandard things coming into Nigeria. We, the citizens, we have to agree that Nigeria is collapsing. Now we sit down, we go back to the round table, we go back to our houses, we start the discipline, training of our children and everything so that we can imbibe with our cultures. I am one of the lucky people who had free education in Nigeria. What magic that government had that time? Because the economy was very strong. Look at Malaysia came here to pick palm oil.
True.
And today they are the largest exporters of palm oil. Even crude palm, we import from Malaysia. Look at our refineries. Obasanjo gave 70 licenses for them to build refineries. Even the present government have given license. They are not ready.
Oga Mohammed.
Come.
Now, Oga Mohammed, when you start your discussion, you be mention some people when be say, because of what they know, if they carry advice, give government go do well. But you think say we get platform where person when sabi, when no dey government, when be part of the people fit carry advice, go give government, make government do am. And you think say government go gree follow that advice?
Government will follow. Let me just put it this way.
Okay.
It is only in Nigeria that I need.
Okay, Mohammed.
Sorry. Yeah.
Continue.
It is only in Nigeria that the government will come and dig borehole for you people while you don't need borehole, you need a clinic. Why are we paying tax? Even in Nigeria, some people are paying tax, they don't know why they pay tax. The fact here is that we contribute and entrust the wealth to people that we elect or select to manage these resources. We are the people to present each and every word. This is what we want. Okay, now look at state governments holding local government funds. On what ground? And now he said you voted for a chairman. He's an executive chairman, but he don't have money to execute programs. You now vote for a governor. He will collect money from the federal government, which is the national cake. They will come and withhold local government. Some local governments are not even paying salary now. The simple fact here is that we entrust government. You cannot put a law. A lot of lawmakers don't consult their constituencies before they pass a law. Are they representing us or they are representing themselves? So we have to go back to the drawing board. We have to understand ourselves. We have to agree that we are Nigerians. We must agree that we pay tax. We contribute for the development of this nation. And they cannot do away with our
resources
request.
And our funds, yeah.
I don't see why I need electricity. You will come and tell me you are giving me borehole. I did not tell you that I need borehole. I need borehole. You are giving me
Oga Mohammed, thank you for this your important contribution. And you don't talk one thing when we say all of us as Nigerians suppose hold. Say the future of this country dey our hand.
Yeah.
We know say people dey government, but those people wey dey government, they represent us. And now wetin we want make them do, na they go do. You give very perfect example. Why you go dey give me, or you go dey dig borehole for me when e be say na clinic I need? Why e be say you go come dey do road when e be say na school na him I need? People dey pay taxes for this country, and the reason why they dey pay am na so that government go fit look say, okay, oh, this thing na una need, na they go do am and make this country move forward. We dey condition for our country wey we say all of us agree say we need to do more. Now government suppose, if dem be like say the thing be like say e hard, make dem come say, okay, oh, make una give us suggestion, make una give us idea, make we move. Because if we continue like this for this direction wey dey go, na be say wahala dey. We get somebody wey dey call us all the way from Ikorodu, Oga Dapo, make I no make mistake. Welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Oh, good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
I dey greet you.
Na Dapo from Ikorodu.
Okay, right on with the year.
As the matter dey go, they no need to tell person say the whole thing don't even pass red. You don't go deeper than red if people like Wole Soyinka don't interfere for the matter. But the thing is, say, not the only government we go blame. Because if government won't put some officials for one particular segment, they bring out within people they mostly call slot. Where they give people for each local government, they give people where they know say they capable for this thing. You as a person, they give slots. You get picking for us, we became graduates for law. You go they give them slot of economic thing. What thing you want to do for there? Now you can't give them the slots now. In Apple say they employ them for the job. You don't know what thing they do. As a guy, economic won't go. So the thing says go start for we Nigerians. See, we will know what thing they do. What you know, Sabi, no force yourself into and say for the sake say you need money or anything.
Very true.
May you allow people who Sabi the work. May you do them. Even if they go schools, they go see people who Sabi this economics work. Well, but when I did secondary school, my teacher, who teach economics, 15 naira, she tell you what thing you take 15 naira, do and say your body good. You go know say you take 15 naira, do better thing. You go be surprised.
Oga Dapo, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We get Oga Solomon all the way from Chicago. Oga Solomon, thank you very much for believing in As E Dey Hot and contributing for this issue from far away Obodo, America.
I'm not there now.
We greet you, Oga Solo.
My guy, beg, I'm not just patient with me because I want break time at the verse. Okay?
Right on,
I think American, I don't get me wrong, dollar don't increase it, they favor us. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Even some people from abroad here, they pray, say, made the thing they like that, maybe even they increase it more. You understand me? But my people, they suffer for Nigeria. Now, the problem of this, because I already hear people here, they talk since on the call president government. The problem for this way, cause this thing right now, not from Babangida, Corey Jonathan government, those people who don't rule us from that time, now they create this problem, not the Buhari fault. Now, the problem is that Nigeria depend on oil. That is the only thing when they bring money come Nigeria. The thing when they bring money come into Nigeria, don't collapse. So even when you have the best economic thing, if money is not coming in, there's nothing they will do. Now, the solution right now be say, Nigeria must start afresh again. The color of Nigerian flag now green, white. Green stands for agriculture. Now, that agriculture, for you to get the reward, the reward of agriculture, it will take another maybe 10 to 20 years time. Okay? Now, if Nigeria, even let us say if agriculture they boom, oil they boom, right? If you don't get laws when go they checkmate all these criminals when they run the country, you don't go still see any effect. So Nigeria, but they must have laws to deal with anybody when chop public fund. That fear must be there. Because if agriculture begin boom tomorrow now, if the corrupt people there, they'll still squander the money.
Very true.
Yet Nigeria, you know, they see the effect of those things. So laws to check every government officials, they must cut down excesses. You know, they must cut their code according to their size. Now, they must have a martial law. Now, pure water is not an imported good. Okay? So, they're supposed to make laws now. Anything that is not imported should not increase. You understand me? That's why you're saying the thing don't make sense at all. Yam don't increase, they say dollar. We think concerning yam and dollars. It has to be imported goods.
Oga Solomon, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We know say if we allow you, you'll continue to talk the go, but as we did like this now, time don't go. You talk three very, very important things. The first one, I say, we no go fit dey expect result if we no start. So e go good make we start from somewhere. And you don't talk and say e go take plenty time, but we go exercise patience and we need to get laws wey be say people no come look say shebi dem don dey do good one, we will go front go spoil am again. Anybody wey wan spoil am, we go punish the person. And number 3 and most important when you talk about, you talk say e get some kind things wey we fit do for inside this our country where we no need people from outside to come help us. We must start because we dey very very creative and we be very very intelligent people. Our people wey dey for house wey watch, we thank una. Those wey call, we appreciate. Those wey dey call no enter, make una no vex. Abeg make una spread the word. Tell them say make dem dey watch as e dey hot so that we will continue to dey talk the issues when they affect us inside Obodo, Nigeria. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic wey dey comot plenty smoke. Nkubi.
Now bye bye till tomorrow.
I see say your body cold well because you can see that Nigerians are not happy.
What is it?
It's possible we have an economic team from your mouth. If not, be say I wear suit. If
you know say just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.